Yes, I am Dr. Basavaraj Angadi, a practicing physician at Ravnebennur. I have served previously in a government hospital as a physician and district surgeon. Now I have retired and practicing consultation at Ravnebennur. So on this eve of World Heart Day, which is celebrated every year on 29th September 2021, I want to share some of my uh, things about hypertension, which is a major problem in the present days. So hypertension, it is a common disease as diabetic also. Most of the time it is associated with diabetes also and other comorbid conditions. So when you say hypertension, the diagnosis is more important to confirm the diagnosis. Usually normal BP is 120/80. It varies with age and weight and gender also duration also. So when you say hypertension, to confirm hypertension, continuously if the BP record is 140/90, more than 140/90, then we should confirm that he is suffering from hypertension. So there are no specific signs and symptoms to diagnose this hypertension, because some people may experience headache and breathlessness or chest pain. Most of the people, they are not aware of the hypertension. Very high risk patients are those who are diabetic, those whose parents are suffering from BP and sugar, known cases of BP and sugar, and obesity, and breathlessness. Some of the symptoms, they appear as a high risk factors. Then it is necessary to check the BP of such patient regularly. And if BP record is more than 190, 140/90, then we should treat it as a hypertension. The complications of hypertension are many, hypertension, but high risk factors are the unhealthy lifestyle and lack of physical activity, obesity, smoking, alcohol, and diabetes, and also stress. Nowadays, in recent years, stress is more common. So people will get hypertension, and they neglect to take regular treatment. Then they will land up in complications. So patient may land up in unconsciousness or stroke or MI or bleeding for epistaxis. So many ways they will present to the doctor. Then BP is very high that time. So such patients are diagnosed at this juncture. Then they will start taking treatment. So in no obvious signs will be there except this high BP, and most of the time we need blood investigations like cholesterol, high cholesterol and lipid profiles, and blood sugar and renal function tests. All these tests they reveal the type of hypertension. So coronary artery disease is the most common complication of this hypertension, high BP, and high cholesterol, high triglycerides, and obesity, these play important roles in complications of this diabetes. So it is very necessary to control this. Prevention is always better than cure. We all know. So in such that, in that extent, BP should be diagnosed early, and we have to take proper measures to prevent BP and its complications. So risk can be prevented or reduced by taking following steps. What are the steps to control or prevent? One is most important, regular exercise and physical activity. It is very much important in controlling BP and also diabetes. Regular exercise every day, 30 to 45 minutes walking, aerobic exercise. It is more than enough. It is not needed heavy, stressful exercise daily. Mere walking, fast walking is better to control BP and weight reduction. So at least 5 days in a week, it is compulsory to do moderate to severe exercise, fast exercise. Fast walking is enough to control this high BP, control this BP. Second is healthy diet. Diet plays a very important role in causing hypertension as well as obesity and diabetes, especially high fatty diet and bakery items and this very high fat diets. These are very dangerous for BP patients. So we should take more of fruits and vegetables, and also pulses, greens, protein. All these things contribute to control the diabetes, and also healthy food. It is in hypertension we say DASH diet. DASH diet means dietary approach to stop hypertension. DASH diet we are telling. In that diet includes high protein and low fat diet, and avoid cheese and other things and the bakery items. Such items it will control the high BP. In fourth one is quit smoking. Smoking is also very dangerous for this high BP, and also alcohol. Alcohol plays the very important role in high BP and also complications. One more thing about this thing is stress management. In this 21st century, stress and anxiety, they are more common now. Each and every person will experience anxiety, depression, and busy schedule. All these things contribute to his high BP. So we should control the tension and BP monitoring regularly, every week or every 15 days, every month. BP should be monitored, and once diagnosed, regular intake of antihypertensive drugs as prescribed by the physician according to their BP status, and also end organ damage, and also comorbid conditions. According to that, they have to take regular BP medications, timely intake and timely food intake, timely sleep and rest, all are important to control diabetes and prevent complications. Last but not the least, in a recent study, it is a very important role, yoga and meditation. It has all super specialty hospitals, they are now providing yoga and meditation to control all these stressful conditions and to control high BP. So this plays very important role in this spiritual practice every day, at least 45 minutes. Just simple yogasana and simple exercises, breathing exercises and meditation that will control high BP and also day-to-day anxiety and depression. All these things can be prevented by the practicing regularly yoga and meditation. It is more important to follow all these preventive measures to control high BP and also to prevent complications like coronary artery diseases, stroke, and also kidney damage. This renal failure may be last complication. Such things should be prevented by following all these measures what I have told already, and should be maintained as regularly and timely consultation, timely BP recording, timely advice by concerned physician is very necessary to follow up and control high BP. Hence, every this World Heart Day celebration all over the world, it is celebrated every year to create public awareness in this aspect and to reduce the complications, to reduce the complications and maintain normal BP in a general population is very much important. We're celebrating this World Heart Day every year. So on this occasion, I have shared my some of the facts about high blood pressure, complications, and what are the preventive measures and controlling high BP. So everyone should follow these instructions and maintain their healthy lifestyle and healthy food and healthy life management is very important in this aspect. So I thank the organizers and all the participants to for having this opportunity to share my feelings about high blood pressure and on this eve of World Heart Day celebration, which is to be celebrated on 29th of September 2021.